Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box in collaboration with Huda Beauty. So this is my first Allure Beauty Box and I'm super excited. I'm actually wearing some of this stuff on my face today. So we're going to unbox and try some of the things out. So if you want to see what I got in my little Allure Beauty Box, keep on watching. But before you do anything else, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I upload, and leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like my videos. Check out some of my old videos, you know, that whole thing. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this box. I actually already know what's in it because I guess they send you a bunch of emails telling you already what's going to be in the box and all this information and stuff. So I do know what's in it already, and I have it pulled out right here on my desk. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that comes in this box is this cute little pamphlet, and you see Huda right there. And it just basically gives you a bunch of information about all of the products inside the box, which I think is super cute and convenient. So the first thing that I was super excited to get in the box, which I had seen on the Allure Beauty website or allure.com website, is this Huda Beauty lipstick, which is made for Allure. It's called Alluring, and it's a beautiful like red orange. And I actually put on some makeup because I'm going to try on the stuff in this box. So we'll have to put that on. We also get a face mask. This is the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Mask. It says it has snail secretion filtrate, which I'm guessing is snail slime. So it strengthens the skin's barrier and absorbs fast in the skin. Pure gold ingredients soothe skin irritated by external stimuli, making skin look clear and transparent by providing vitality to skin. So interesting. I'll have to try this later on because I already have makeup on, but I will, and I'll let you know how it goes. Then in this box it comes with this cute little neon orange little makeup pouch, and then inside is a bunch of more goodies. So first we have one of my favorite pairs of lashes. I used to love these back in the day. These are the Samanthas by Huda Beauty. So if you remember, we all used to do this thing. But yeah, I love these lashes. I wonder if they're still like the same. I'm sure they are, but I will try these on as well. Also in the box comes a little mini Ka-Brow by Benefit. I actually love this stuff. This is in shade 3.5. And it's a little mini version. Super cute. I'll have to try that as well. It looks like it'll be a good color too. We also have this ALLURE fragrance, which is Huda and her sister Mona Katan's perfume line. I don't know if you can see that because it's kind of bright with the bright lights. But it is a fragrance, and it's Vanilla 28, has Vanilla Orchard, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. Then we get two hair products, which clearly I need a lot in my life. So I'll probably give these to Tony. We get a Way Finishing Cream, which is like this. It's a little mini version. And then also the Way Texturizing Spray. So I could either give this to Tony or I'll use it on my wigs to give them more volume. And then lastly but not least, in the video we get this little Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream, which is a little moisturizer sample. So I'll have to try this out when I try out that face mask. And I'm going to go ahead and start with brows, and I'm going to use the new mini Ka-Brow that came with my kit. It has a little cute brush. I probably use my own brush though. Okay, so there you have the brows. This shade of Ka-Brow is literally perfect. I'm gonna have to go buy a full-size one of these after I run out of this little cute thing right here. I do love that it comes with a brush just in case I do forget my brush and I'm traveling or something like that. I'll have this little brush. I wish it did have like a spoolie. That would be very convenient, but nonetheless it does have a brush, so that's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly pop on some eye makeup so then I can put my lashes on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did just a little bit of eyeshadow and I used Milk Chocolate right here, which is one of our single shades. And then I also used Brazilian Babe on the lid. And now I'm gonna go in with those Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. I gotta trim them really quick and then I'm gonna apply them. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I love these lashes because the band is super thin, and even though they are synthetic, they literally look so beautiful and so wispy, and they feel great on the eyes. So start the lashes. I am gonna put some bottom mascara really quick because I forgot to do that. And then now what I was really excited about, I'm gonna go ahead and try this lipstick in ALLURE. So I've actually never used a Huda Beauty lipstick before, so I'm also excited because it's a new thing for me. So, and the color is beautiful. So let's see how it looks on me. So that we have the lipstick. So this formula is very thin. It's almost like a watery consistency, and it does have a strong fragrance, but I do love the color. It's a very bright orange, more orange than it actually looks in the tube. I thought it'd be a little bit more red, but it is beautiful nonetheless, and it is super comfortable. So let me know what you think about this color on me, because I typically don't go for the super orangey color. So let me know what you think about this color on my skin tone in the comments below. So that is pretty much everything I could try in this ALLURE beauty box. I'll let you know what Tony thinks about these hair products, and then I'll also try out the skincare and let you guys know what I thought about that. I am super excited to try that 24 karat gold mask. It looks super cool. But I hope you did enjoy this video and this little unboxing, and I hope to see you in my next video.